This vegan black bean soup is the perfect recipe to make for most times of the year. It can be eaten by itself or with other dishes, and is made in the Instant Pot from start to finish, making for easy cleanup and nearly mindless cooking. Make sure to gather up all of your ingredients before you start to cook. Start by fine chopping 1/2 of a yellow or red onion. Crush and fine chop 3 to 5 garlic cloves. Measure out your spices. Turn your Instant Pot to saute function on medium-high heat. Cook your onion for 2 minutes and add garlic and about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then add smoked paprika, cumin, chili powder, and your dried oregano. This recipe originally called for 1 can of diced tomatoes. I really like to use tomato paste because I don't always want chunks of tomatoes in the soups that I make. To go a step further, I use vacuum packed tomato paste because it doesn't have any added citric acid to it, and I think it's just a lot simpler to keep it in your fridge for longer periods of time. Pour in 2.5 cups of your vegetable broth and add your 2 bay leaves. Drain your soaked black beans and add them to your pot. Press cancel on your Instant Pot to stop the saute function. Press pressure cook on high and set it for 35 minutes. Make sure the vent on top is closed. Let it cook, wait for it to finish, either let it naturally depressurize or release the vent on top. Top with cilantro, shredded vegan cheese, or salsa maybe, or maybe nothing at all.